Hey, kindergarten families, it's Mrs. Feldkamp here. No school today for Good Friday, but I did want to update you with how the plan looks for next week since there will be a few changes. You noticed that you didn't get choice boards mailed to you for the next 2 weeks. That's because our instruction has shifted from that paper-based choice boards. Now that we're getting the hang of distance learning, it will be all based out of the Seesaw app. Hopefully you got a chance to download the Seesaw class app, which is different than the parent app. I posted a video yesterday, a helper video letting you know how to do that, as well as your child's school email and login information with their password. If you have questions about that over the weekend, please reach out to me and I'll do my very best to be a tech help with that. Okay, so on the screen in front of you, you can see the academic subjects that will be covered through distance learning on Seesaw. Don't panic, not all of these subjects are going to be covered every day, especially as we're first starting out. I just wanted to give you a sense of who you're going to see videos from and kind of what will be covered. So these top 5 subjects, the core academic subjects, will be covered by all of the kindergarten teachers. We're sharing the workload as a team. So twice a week starting out, you'll get lessons from Mrs. Coleman for math. That will increase as we kind of get in the swing of things, but for this next week, expect 2 math lessons from Mrs. Coleman on Monday and Wednesday. I will be doing a science lesson for our own class on Friday, so look for that. I'll be covering Reader's Workshop for the whole kindergarten grade. Those lessons will be posted Monday and Wednesday. Mrs. Rose, one of our other great kindergarten teachers, will be doing Writer's Workshop. She'll have writing lessons for your child Tuesday, Thursday. And Mrs. K, or Mrs. Knippenberg, who our class has worked in a lot with this school year, will be doing Letterland lessons also on Tuesday and Thursday. Down below these next 4 teachers are our wonderful specialist teachers. So they will be posting activities which can only be accessed on the Seesaw class app for your child to complete. It will be under the activities tab. This is something new that you may need to assist your child with, how to respond to these activities. The activities will only need to be completed on our specialist rotation day. For example, Monday, I believe, is a day 5. Every day 5, we have music, so Dr. Webster will post an activity for our class to do. Okay? All right. If your child received services this year, they will get lessons from those teachers. If none of these people look familiar to you or you don't know what services I'm talking about, this probably doesn't apply to you. So if your child has a speech IEP, look for lessons from Miss Kaylee, or Mrs. Urban as it says here, but the kids know her as Miss Kaylee. If your child qualifies for reading services through Read With Me with Mrs. Bachman and Mrs. Widener, they will have supplemental lessons posted also on the activities tab on the class app. Know that these are supplemental. They're awesome. I highly recommend them. But if you don't get time to do them immediately, we understand and know that they're supplemental. They're there to be a resource for you, not to stress you out. Okay? English as a second language is Mrs. Perry. She sent out paper packets to our families. So you've already received those. I think another batch is coming. And then if your child receives special education services from Mrs. Coulter, she will also be in touch with you, and I believe she's already reached out to you. So look for lessons and content from her if that applies to you. Okay, this is our schedule for the week. So you can kind of see what videos to expect from me posted before 9 a.m. on Monday morning. You'll get the Brookview Live link from Mr. Drummerhausen. That's what we've already been doing. The welcome check-in with me, I will kind of give you an overview of the day. We'll do our student shout out. I'll let you know what work I need to see from you as your attendance check-in. the work will only be from one subject a day. So yes, your child still needs to do the work, but I'll only ask for proof of learning from one subject a day. Okay? Then you'll get my Reader's Workshop lesson. You'll get Mrs. Coleman's math lesson link. All 4 of these are video links. Mr. Moostar will be posting a gym activity in the activities tab. Okay, so these top 4 can still be accessed with the parent app or the class app. And then this one, gym, will only be the class app. Okay, I will post this on Seesaw, this document, in case you would like to keep track of the schedule for the week so you kind of know what to expect. If you have any questions about the class app or the expectations going forward with distance learning, please reach out to me over the weekend. Otherwise, enjoy your holiday weekend. Happy Easter if you celebrate, and I will be back with you on Monday. Bye, everybody.